Learn English to fluency.
Hello, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we are talking about something very important for your day, your morning routine. A good morning routine can make your day better, happier, and more productive. In this lesson, we will learn how to build a good morning routine, step by step. You will hear Emma and Daniel talking slowly, clearly. This will help you improve your English and also learn tips for a better morning. Listen carefully. Repeat when you can. And try to imagine doing each step in your own morning. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Emma. You sound cheerful today.
I am. I slept well and woke up early. It feels good. How are you?
I'm feeling great too. I also had an early start. I woke up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That's early. I'm curious, do you always wake up that early?
Most days, yes. I try to wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends.
Wow, that's discipline. I sometimes wake up early during the week, but on weekends I sleep in.
I used to do that too, but I noticed that sleeping late on weekends made it harder to wake up early on Monday.
That makes sense. I've read that our bodies like routine.
Exactly. When you wake up at the same time every day, your body gets used to it. You start feeling less tired in the morning.
That's good advice. So tell me, when you wake up, what's the first thing you do?
Honestly, I drink water.
Water? Right after you wake up?
Yes. I keep a big glass of water next to my bed. I drink it before I do anything else.
That's interesting. I usually go to the bathroom first, then I think about water.
I do that too, but drinking water first thing helps me feel awake. Our bodies get dehydrated when we sleep.
You know, I've heard about this, but I never made it a habit. Maybe I should start.
You should. It's such a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
Okay, so after water, what comes next?
I stretch for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? What kind of stretching?
Simple ones. I stretch my arms, legs, and back. Sometimes I do a short yoga routine.
Do you follow a video?
Sometimes, yes. Other times I just stretch in ways that feel good.
I like that. I usually walk around my apartment for 5 minutes just to move my body.
That's a good start. The important thing is to get your blood flowing.
And then?
Then I make my bed, always.
I love that. Making my bed is also part of my morning. It makes the room look nice.
Exactly. And it gives you a small win at the start of the day.
I agree. So after making your bed, it's breakfast time.
Yes, I believe breakfast is important.
What do you usually eat?
On most days, eggs with toast and a little fruit. On busy days, yogurt with berries.
That sounds healthy. I usually have oatmeal with fruit. It's quick and filling.
Oatmeal is great. I used to eat it often when I was a student.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, but only after breakfast. I can't drink coffee on an empty stomach.
Same here. If I drink coffee too early, I feel strange.
Exactly. And I try to drink only 1 cup in the morning.
That's smart. I know people who drink 3 or 4 cups before lunch.
That's too much for me.
So I have to ask, do you check your phone in the morning?
I used to check it as soon as I woke up, but now I wait.
Why did you change?
Because checking my phone right away made me waste time. I'd start reading messages and news, and suddenly 30 minutes would pass.
Oh, I know that feeling. I've done that too.
Now I don't check my phone until after breakfast and stretching.
That's a good idea. I think I'll try that.
You should. It helps you start the day focused.
Speaking of focus, do you do anything to plan your day in the morning?
Yes. After breakfast, I write my to-do list.
Do you write it on paper or on your phone?
On paper, I like crossing things off when I finish them.
That feels satisfying, doesn't it?
Yes, it's like a small reward.
So, what's your complete morning routine?
Let's see. Wake up, drink water, stretch, make the bed, have breakfast, avoid phone, write a to-do list.
That's a good list.
And I also like to take a moment to think of something positive for the day.
That's nice. Like gratitude?
Exactly. I think of 3 things I'm thankful for.
I love that idea. I might start doing it too.
You should. It changes your mood.
You know, Daniel, when I was younger, my mornings were terrible.
Really? What happened?
I used to wake up late, skip breakfast, rush to get ready, and then run out the door.
That sounds stressful.
It was. I felt tired all day, and I was always in a bad mood.
How did you change?
Slowly. First, I started waking up 15 minutes earlier. Then I began making my bed. Later, I added breakfast.
That's the best way. Small changes over time.
Yes. Now I feel calmer and happier in the morning.
I think a lot of people make the mistake of trying to change everything at once.
Yes, and then they give up after a few days.
Exactly.
Do you prepare for your morning the night before?
Yes. I choose my clothes and put them out. Sometimes I prepare my breakfast ingredients too.
I do the same. It saves time and reduces stress.
Definitely. A good morning starts the night before.
That's true.
So, what's your best tip for someone who wants a better morning?
Start small and be consistent. Even drinking water and making your bed is a good beginning.
I agree. And don't forget to sleep early.
Yes, without enough sleep, no morning routine will help.
Exactly.
You know, Daniel, I think we could list our top tips for a good morning.
Sure.
Go to bed early,
Wake up at the same time every day.
drink water first thing,
Move your body.
make your bed,
Eat a healthy breakfast.
avoid your phone until you finish your routine.
Write a to-do list.
Think of something positive,
Prepare for the morning the night before.
get enough sleep. That's a great list.
Yes, and you don't need to do them all at once.
Exactly. Daniel, can I tell you about my worst morning ever?
Oh, I want to hear this. Go ahead.
It was 2 years ago. I had an important job interview. I planned to wake up early, get ready slowly, and be calm. But the night before, I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh no, that's already a bad start.
Yes, I slept through my alarm, woke up late, and didn't have time for breakfast. I rushed to get dressed, but I couldn't find my shoes.
Oh dear.
When I finally left the house, it started raining. I forgot my umbrella, so I arrived at the interview wet, hungry, and stressed.
I can imagine.
And you know what? I didn't get the job. I wasn't prepared, and I think my bad morning affected my confidence.
That's a perfect example of why mornings matter.
Exactly. That's when I decided to work on my routine.
I have a story too. A few years ago, I was working late nights. I would wake up at 8:30 a.m., eat nothing, and then run to catch the bus.
Sounds stressful.
It was. I often forgot important things, my wallet, my keys, sometimes even my lunch.
Oh, I've done that before.
One day, I left my house without my work ID card and I couldn't get into the building. I had to go all the way back home.
That must have been frustrating.
It was. That day, I realized I needed to give myself more time in the morning. Now I wake up early and it's much better.
I think a lot of people have bad mornings because they make the same mistakes.
Yes, like checking their phone first thing.
Or pressing the snooze button 5 times.
Ooh, that's a big one. Every time you snooze, it becomes harder to wake up.
I agree. Another mistake is skipping breakfast or eating something unhealthy like a big slice of cake.
True. That can make you feel sleepy later.
And some people spend too much time deciding what to wear.
Yes, which is why I'd choose my clothes the night before.
You know what would be helpful? If we shared different example morning routines for different kinds of people.
Good idea. Let's start with the student.
Okay, a student could wake up at 7 a.m., drink water, stretch, have breakfast, review class notes for 10 minutes, then head to school.
That's great. For a busy parent, Maybe they wake up before the children, drink coffee or tea, prepare breakfast, get the kids ready, and then take 10 minutes for themselves before leaving.
I like that. And for someone who works night shifts?
They could still have a routine, but maybe in the afternoon. Drink water when they wake up, do light exercise, eat a healthy meal, and plan their evening work.
So it's not about the time of day. It's about having a plan.
Exactly. Your morning is just the first part of your day, whatever time it starts.
What about people who say, I'm not a morning person?
I think they can still have a good routine. It might be shorter and simpler, but it can still help.
True. Even something small like drinking water and making the bed can make a difference.
Yes, it's about starting with something easy that gives you a win.
I also think mindset is important in the morning.
I agree. If you wake up thinking, today will be a bad day, it probably will be.
Yes, that's why I like your idea of thinking of 3 positive things in the morning.
It sets the tone for the whole day.
Do you have any tips for staying motivated to keep a routine?
A few. First, keep it simple. Second, do it every day, even on weekends. Third, forgive yourself if you miss a day and start again.
I like that. I think people give up too quickly if they miss one morning.
Yes, one bad morning doesn't mean you failed. It's about the long-term habit.
Can I tell you something funny?
Sure.
My friend tried to copy my morning routine exactly. Same wake-up time, same breakfast, same stretches. But after 3 days, she gave up
Why?
because she hated oatmeal and didn't like waking up that early.
That's the thing. Your routine should fit your life and your preferences.
Exactly. You can get inspiration from others, but you don't have to copy everything.
You know what else helps? Having a reason to wake up early.
Yes, if you're excited about something, it's easier to get up.
For me, sometimes it's reading a book I enjoy in the morning.
That's nice. I like to listen to music while I get ready.
That's a good idea. Music can put you in a good mood.
I also think the place you wake up in matters.
Definitely. If your room is messy, you won't feel good in the morning.
That's why I try to tidy up before bed.
Same here. A clean space makes a peaceful morning.
Daniel, should we do a final recap of all our tips?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. Number 1, go to bed early so you get enough sleep.
Number 2, wake up at the same time every day.
Number 3, drink water right after you wake up.
Number 4, move your body even for a few minutes.
Number 5, make your bed.
Number 6, eat a healthy breakfast.
Number 7, avoid checking your phone until you finish your routine.
Number 8, write a to-do list for the day.
Number 9, think of 3 positive things.
Number 10, prepare for the morning the night before.
Number 11, start small and build slowly.
Number 12, make your routine fit your life, not someone else's.
And number 13, forgive yourself if you miss a day.
That's a lucky number.
Yes, lucky for our mornings.
I think with these tips, anyone can build a better start to their day.
I agree.
And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress.
Well said, Daniel.
Thanks, Emma. I enjoyed this chat.
Me too.
Goodbye.
You too.
Great job today. Now you know how to build a good morning routine. Remember, a good day starts with a good morning. Practice these steps every day until they become a habit. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson, and remember, every day is a new chance to be better.
Learn English to fluency.